Morning. This is Rosina's Italian Kitchen. We're going to switch over to tea sandwiches today, and we're going to make the some deviled egg, tuna fish, cream cheese with cucumbers. You can see what we're doing here. The first thing we're going to do is put just a little bit of mayonnaise on the bread so the filling will stick. One that we're going to make is deviled egg. And then, of course, we're going to cut the crusts off afterwards. It'll be nice tea sandwiches. Okay. I'm going to make the tuna fish, which I have already mixed. I will spread it on here. And I won't go quite to the end because I'm going to cut the crusts off for the little tea sandwiches. Now I'm going to make the cream cheese and cucumber sandwich. Spread the cream cheese on here. Have the cream cheese spread on the bread, so we'll put our sliced cucumber on here. Then, so there we go. There we go. Do is put the top on here on the deviled egg, the tuna fish, and cream cheese. So now we're going to get our knife. I'm going to cut the crusts off because this is they are tea sandwiches. We don't want the crust in here. Cut them for the tea, which I'll go like this. Lay them any way we want. In triangles. I'm plating them. Have a nice presentation. They're all mixed. Now we finished making the tea sandwiches and cut up, plated them. Take them to our tea party and enjoy them. Thanks for watching. This was fun. I haven't done this in a long time. Hope you enjoyed it.